Hey everyone! Today I'm really excited to share something a little different with you, my favorite crochet YouTube channels that constantly inspire me and keep my creativity going. Crochet is such a huge part of my life, and I love discovering creators who bring their own unique style, ideas, and energy into this amazing craft. From beautiful granny squares in Tunisian crochet, to amigurumi, garments, and all kinds of creative techniques, you'll find a bit of everything in this list. Some of these channels I've been watching for a long time, others I've recently discovered, but all of them have something special that makes me come back for more. So grab your yarn, get cozy, and let's dive into some seriously inspiring crochet content together. Let's start with Sarah's Crochet. It's a beautiful channel with a truly stunning aesthetic that immediately catches your eye. The color choices are always perfectly curated, and the granny square designs are wonderfully unique and creative. I find this channel incredibly inspiring, especially when I'm looking for fresh ideas or a new color palette to try. Sarah uploads new videos once a week, so there's always something new to look forward to.
Crochetniacs
Amigurumi Teacher is a fantastic go-to channel for anyone interested in amigurumi. With new videos every week, it offers a wealth of helpful tips, clever tricks, and step-by-step guidance for creating these adorable little plushies. The tutorials are easy to follow and great for both beginners and more experienced crocheters. It's the perfect place to learn, improve your skills, and pick up new ideas along the way, especially if you love making cute and detailed projects. Crochet Studio is another channel I really enjoy. It uploads once a week in Russian, but for me, that doesn't matter at all, since everything is clearly demonstrated step by step and very easy to follow visually. The focus here is Irish lace, a technique that's been on my to-try list for quite a while now. The designs are delicate, intricate, and really inspiring if you're looking to try something a bit more advanced. In fact, I've already made some elements. They're just still waiting to be joined together.
Arte em Crochê Flávia Santana
is a more niche channel dedicated to crochet baby booties, absolutely adorable and beautifully designed. The projects are full of charming little details, and it's hard not to smile while watching them come together. It's in Portuguese, but you can easily turn on subtitles to follow along with the instructions, and the visuals are very clear as well. New videos are published once a week, making it a lovely and consistent source of inspiration, especially if you enjoy smaller, delicate projects. Skein Spider immediately caught my eye with its beautifully consistent thumbnails, all in colors I absolutely love. The overall aesthetic feels very cohesive and thoughtfully put together, which makes the channel really stand out. The content is wonderfully varied. You'll find amigurumi, helpful tips, pattern tests, and even mystery amigurumi projects that add a fun element of surprise. It's a great mix that keeps things interesting and makes you want to come back for more. The Michelle Jacek channel is a crochet and knitting space. Michelle mainly creates beautiful wearable pieces. Her projects are stylish, practical, and really fun to watch come together. I especially enjoy the variety she brings. It keeps things fresh and inspiring, whether you're into garments or just looking for new ideas. She uploads new videos twice a week, so there's always something new to look forward to and try out. Massive Crochet, Granny Squares is a channel full of interesting and one-of-a-kind granny square designs, along with new stitches and clear step-by-step tutorials. The patterns are creative and often a little different from what you usually see, which makes it especially exciting to explore. It's a wonderfully inspiring space, especially if you love beautiful squares as much as I do. New videos are posted once a week, so there's always a fresh design to discover. And by the way, I also create similar things, so if you like this style, you can check out my work on my channel Crochet All the Time, a true passion project where I share original crochet designs. Here, you'll find unique granny squares and floral patterns created using the Tunisian half-double crochet stitch, my absolute favorite for color work. I upload new videos twice a week, so there's always something fresh to inspire you. Lee & Lee Stitch Lab creates beautifully textured garments that have a very distinctive style, warm, cozy, and wonderfully substantial. Her pieces feel thoughtfully designed and really satisfying to make, especially if you enjoy rich textures and layered stitches. She shares new videos every 2 weeks, always bringing such a positive energy and genuine joy for making. It's the kind of channel that feels both relaxing and inspiring to watch. Passionate Kelsey uploads 3 times a week, sharing her handmade mélange-style tote bags and hats. Her projects have a fun, modern feel, and the color combinations she uses are always really eye-catching. She has such a cheerful presence on camera, which makes her videos especially enjoyable and easy to watch. It's a great channel to follow if you're looking for both inspiration and a bit of positive, creative energy. Crochet by Sky creates and showcases her crochet garments with a great sense of energy and humor. Her videos feel lively and engaging, making the whole process of watching her projects come to life really enjoyable. You'll find tops, blouses, cardigans, and many other wearable pieces, often with modern and stylish touches. It's a fun and uplifting channel that makes you want to pick up your hook right away and start creating something new. That's it for today. I hope you found some new crochet inspiration here. I've put all the links to these amazing channels in the description box and the pinned comment below. Definitely go check them out and show them some love. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment with your own favorite channels, especially if I haven't mentioned them yet. I'm always looking for new creators to follow. Happy hooking, and I'll see you in the next one.